If you want to build a successful dropshipping business this summer and have the chance to win $1,000, pay attention to this video because I'm starting a dropshipping challenge and giving you everything you need to make your first $10,000 online. I'll be showing you how to find products that are currently making 6 figures a month for other brands, build a store around them, and get the same results yourself. And whoever gets the most amount of sales before summer's over will win $1,000, and the top 3 people will win a private mentorship from me and my team. And even if you don't win, you're still gaining all the tools and resources you need to build a successful e-commerce brand. So now let's talk about the steps you need to take to join our challenge and make that $1,000. Let's get right into it. So this challenge is a little bit different. Usually it would be me spending 48 hours or 2 weeks or any amount of time generating the most amount of sales I can and documenting everything. But this time, I'm giving you all the resources you need to build a successful brand, and we're hosting a fun competition to see who can generate the most amount of sales. I'll be picking 3 winners based on the results at the end of August. We'll check everything to make sure the numbers are legit. We'll give the top 3 people a spot in my private mentorship group, and the person that comes in first will win $1,000. So let's go over the steps you need to take if you want to take part of this challenge. So let's briefly go over each step. There's 8 of them, and then we'll go over each one in detail so you know exactly what to do. Step 1, you want to join our Discord group for more info on this challenge. This is where we're actually keeping track of everything. You'll find a link for that down below. Just click the link, join our Discord group, and you'll see everything you need to take part in this challenge. Step number 2, you want to sign up for Shopify. You can actually get your first month for $1 using the link that I provided for you guys. This is how you're going to be building and hosting your store. Step number 3, you're going to find winning products to sell. There's 3 different ways that I'll be showing you in just a moment. Step 4, you're going to finish building your store. I'll show you all the essential apps and pages and everything you need to go into a successful store. Step number 5, you're going to get high quality ad creatives to start testing your products with in order to start generating sales right away. Step number 6, you'll create all your essential social media pages to market your brand. Step number 7, you're going to choose your marketing strategy. We have 3 different ways, both free and paid. And step number 8, you're going to reference our group daily for updates and additional resources that I post. You'll post your results as they come in, network with other dropshippers, and work together to scale your brand. Like I already mentioned, the winner gets $1,000 and a private mentorship, and the second and third place also get a spot in our private mentorship as well. So let's go over each step in detail to see what you need to do to participate in this challenge. All right, so step number 1, you're going to join our Discord group like I already mentioned. The link is for you down below. Once you log into that, you guys can see the summer challenge right up here at the top. It's going to give you more information about this challenge, all of the links that you guys are going to need. If you go over here to general ecom, you guys can see this winning products tab right here, where I'm going to post trending products to sell every single day for you guys. So you guys can see this product right here is doing over $200,000 a month. This one's doing over $196,000 a month. So you guys will find products just like this with the AliExpress links, competitor stores, and all the information you need to know about each one of these products. So this will already give you a head start in the competition because I'm already giving you the products to sell. Right below winning products, you guys can see this profits tab right here. This is where you're going to go ahead and post your results as they start to come in. So say you're doing $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, you hit your first $10,000 a day, you're going to post all of your results in this results page right here. This is how I'm keeping track of everyone's sales. The person that generates the most amount of sales by the end of the summer wins the cash prize. Now, step number 2 is to sign up for Shopify using the link I provided. That way you can get a free trial and get your first month for $1 after your trial ends. Your free trial will let you set up your store, import your products, build out everything you need to, and then the $1 for your first month will allow you to start generating sales and create a profitable brand. I'll leave a link for the Shopify store down below. You guys can also find it in our Discord channel under Summer Challenge. Step number 3 right here, build your store for $1 using this link. It'll take you to this page over here. You just enter your email address, start your free trial. You don't have to enter any credit card information or anything else. And that way you guys can start building your branded dropshipping store. You guys can see all of these free themes available to help you get started. Once you guys choose the products you want to sell, you guys can create a branded store around those products using any of these themes. All right, step number 3, you're actually going to find your product to sell. I already mentioned you can go on the winning products tab in our Discord group and I'll go ahead and post products for you. But if you want to do your own research and find products to sell by yourself, you can use one of these 3 methods. There's a lot more ways to find winning products than just these 3, but these are definitely the 3 best ways to find trending products in real time that you guys can go to sell yourself. So we have the TikTok Creative Center, Zik Analytics, and the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So starting with the TikTok Creative Center, this is just like the Facebook ads library. It's going to show you the top performing TikTok ads. You guys can sort it by country, industry. You guys can look at all these different niches down here. The objective, we always want to choose conversions. You can sort by the time frame, the last 30 days, 7 days, 180 days. We can go ahead and look at the top 20% of liked ads on TikTok. You guys can choose your ad format as well as your ad language. So right here, using our criteria, these are the top 20% of liked conversion ads in the United States right now. I'm not logged in, but you guys can see a lot more results once you log into TikTok with your own account. Moving over to Zik Analytics, this is one of the best product research tools out there right now. It's going to show you the top trending Shopify stores over the last 30 days, the best trending products over the last 30 days. Both of these lists are updated every 24 hours, so everything you see on here is completely up to date. You guys can see these top Shopify stores, if they're a dropshipping store, a one product store, print on demand store, the amount of sales they're generating, as well as the revenue. So for example, you can see this dropshipping store right here has made over 4,000 sales in the last 30 days and generated $568,000 in revenue. Scrolling through this list of trending products, you guys can see all of these different products right here, the price they're selling for, the amount of sales they've generated, as well as the revenue over the last 30 days. Moving over to the AliExpress Dropshipping Center, this is offered directly from AliExpress, and it's going to show you the top performing products for other dropshippers. You have a ton of different niches that you can select up here at the top. We'll go ahead and select home and garden. It's going to show you the top performing products within the home and garden niche. You guys can see the pricing, the amount of sales they're getting. You guys can actually analyze each listing further by clicking right here. This way you can compare different suppliers for the same products. You can see the pricing, whether they offer free shipping, the amount of orders they're generating, and so much more. Step number 4, you're actually going to build your store now that you have a Shopify account and a product you want to sell. You're going to customize your theme using one of the themes we just went over. You guys can see all of these free options over here. Shopify has a very powerful drag and drop theme editor that will help you build a perfect and professional looking Shopify store. You're going to create a compelling product page. You guys can generate all of your descriptions using AI like ChatGPT. You always want to include high quality images, videos, and GIFs of your product in action for social proof. You want to create a professional looking home page. You want to add a contact page, about us page, a tracking page so customers can track their orders, and you want to add all of your essential policies, like your privacy policy, your refund policy, your terms of service, as well as your shipping policy. You guys are going to add your 5 essential apps to get started. Number 1 is de-essers. You need some sort of a product fulfillment tool. This way you can fulfill your orders as they start to come in. You're going to download Ali Reviews. This way you can import reviews directly from AliExpress or Amazon for social proof. You always want to include reviews on your product pages. You'll want to add some sort of an upsell or a bundle app. That way you can increase your average order value or your AOV. You want to install some sort of an email marketing app like Omnisend. This way you can set up your sign-up forms, all of your email marketing flows like your abandoned cart series, your welcome series, and so much more. And then of course your order tracking app like we already mentioned right here. You want customers to be able to go on your website and track their orders. This way they're not spamming your email inbox, and the easier it is for them to track their orders, the less refunds and chargebacks you'll get, and just overall complaints. Either way, you only want to be working with suppliers that can get you fast shipping and high quality products. All right, step number 5, you need to get high quality ad creatives to test your products and start making sales. You don't want to spend countless hours stealing and ripping content off of AliExpress, TikTok, or from your competitors, because it's really hard to throw together. You don't know if it's going to convert well right off the bat, and honestly, this can get your ad account banned permanently. So what you can do instead is actually get your video ads made for you. Not only does this save you time, but it saves you a ton of money as well, because you're not testing poorly made ad creatives. You know that it's going to generate sales right from the start. So what I do when I need video ad creatives made fast is I go on viral ecom ads. Viral Ecom Ads is the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping. These guys have actually generated over $30 million in sales on their own stores using their video ad packages. You guys can see their best-selling ad packages down here. It doesn't matter which platform you want to start testing with, they have you covered. You have your Facebook ad split testing package, your TikTok split testing package, your single ad package, and an image ad package over here. So if you guys want to start testing the products you find with TikTok ads, you'll select this TikTok ad split testing package, and you're going to go ahead and build your bundle down here. You're going to start by choosing your quantity. You can save money by bundling up and purchasing more of these ads at a time. You're going to choose if you want TikTok text displayed on your video, which I highly recommend, as well as a voiceover. I recommend these two options as they will increase your conversions. After that, you're going to fill out a submission form with more information about your winning products. You'll receive your videos, and you can fill out any revisions that you would like to. You guys can see that every ad package includes delivery in 1 to 3 business days. They're all proven to convert ad creatives, and you guys have unlimited revisions if you even need them. You guys can go ahead and tell them your marketing angles, your offers, and your overall vision for each product you're testing. This way they can incorporate all of that in your video ad package. Let's go ahead and look at some examples of what you're going to get down below. You guys can see each video they make has a strong hook, engaging content, and a call to action telling you what to do next. These are all essential elements in your ad creatives, so these guys definitely know what they're doing. Now, if you want to get the most out of this challenge, you're going to be testing a bunch of different products in order to find that true winner. Instead of paying $50 every time for this ad package, you can actually get it for $12.50 by joining their VIP program. For only $50 a month, you guys can test as many products as you want to for incredibly cheap. You guys get 75% off all video ad packages, 24-hour revision and delivery time, and priority support. I've even partnered with them in this challenge to give you guys 15% off. Just use code Alexander15. I'll leave a link for you down below and in our Discord group as well. This way you can really start to see results fast. If you want to win this challenge, I highly recommend going with the video ad package from Viral Ecom Ads. All right, so next up, you're going to create all of your social media accounts for your brand. This can be a branded Instagram page, Facebook page, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, or any platform you plan on using. Typically for every store I create all of these different social media accounts, even if there's a couple I don't use. You're going to use your logo as the profile picture for each one of these. And if you create a page like a Facebook page or a Twitter account, you can make your header something to do with your mission statement, images to do with your brand, or even just a photo of your product in use. You guys always want to write a bio that stands out and tells your brand story. You're going to tell who you are, what products you sell, what you can do for your customers, and you always want to include some sort of a call to action. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples. We'll be looking at some different Instagram pages. This is obviously Shopify right here. They have their name, the entrepreneurship company, and a link to get started with Shopify. Moving over to this fitness account, you can see his name, his profession, he's a fitness trainer. The bio says certified personal trainer, helping busy professionals stay fit and healthy. Download my app and start your fitness journey today. So about him, who he is, and a call to action. Over here we have a very popular brand, Fashion Nova. Their name right here is their website. Global fashion brand, fast shipping worldwide. Tag us to be featured at Fashion Nova. They have their own custom hashtag. These are great branding elements that you guys can use as you start to grow these accounts. Even more accounts, their call to action, shop now, with their link at the bottom. Here's another brand, Health and Beauty, from London with Love. Discover the #1 luxury British skincare brand. Then they say right here to share your selfies using this hashtag right here. Then they have their website down here at the bottom. What I really like about this page is that they're utilizing these highlights that you can see down here. The next one we're about to go over does this as well. So here's another brand. They have their brand name, their industry, design and fashion, an iconic Italian fashion brand founded on the values of creativity, invention, and inclusivity. Worldwide shipping. Shop Snow Cruiser AW21, so that's their newest release. And then they have their link at the bottom of the page. You guys can see all of their highlights down here. They have their different drops. Like you guys can see their Snow Cruiser, Summer Series, Cosmic Waters, PS22. These pages we just went over all do a great job building a brand and telling consumers how to make their purchase. So it's essential to build a professional Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok page, any other platform you plan on using for both paid ads and organic. That way you can create a community around your brand that gets excited to buy your products. All right, step number 7, you're gonna choose your marketing strategy. We have 3 main methods we'll be using in this challenge, but you're not limited to just those 3. You have Facebook ads, which are easy to set up. You can do this on a low budget, and they have a very high ROI or return on investment. You also have TikTok ads, just like Facebook ads. They're very easy to set up. You can get quick results with TikTok ads, very easy to scale, and a very high ROI once again. Last but not least, you have TikTok Organic. This is your free option. The first 2 were paid ads where you have to spend money to make money, but with TikTok Organic, you're recreating viral trends in videos within your niche in hopes to go viral and sell your products. If you get a video with a couple million views, this can be tens of thousands of dollars in sales for your brand. It's free to start. It is very time consuming because you have to remake these viral trends and spend hours and hours making 1 to 3 videos each and every day to post to stay consistent. And like I already mentioned, you're going to be remaking viral trends in order to sell your products. Now, in my opinion, the easiest and the fastest way to get started selling products once you find a winner is to just simply purchase a video ad package like I already talked about and go with one of the first 2 options, Facebook ads and TikTok ads, but also build an organic back-end funnel on TikTok Organic where you post daily videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to reach the organic side as well. And you can always recycle your best performing content from Instagram Reels and TikTok videos to use for your paid ads. Now I have a ton of videos on this channel showing you how to get started with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and TikTok Organic, so you guys can reference any of those videos in order to start making sales. I'll also post a ton of additional resources inside our Discord group for you to use. I'll show you my updated 2024 strategy for each one of these advertising methods. These are all very easy to learn and very powerful resources to start putting money in your pocket. Step number 8, like I already mentioned, just post your results as they start coming in. Once you start getting high revenue numbers on your store, simply take a screenshot, post in the results section, and compare with other participants. Once you start making sales, you'll post your results in our group. You can also network with other dropshippers and download additional resources to help with your success. And as always, best of luck to anybody taking part in this challenge. Now, one thing I will mention is that your results have to be legit. If you get caught posting fake screenshots or sales that aren't yours, you will be disqualified from this challenge and removed from the group. I'm trying to make this a fun environment to help as many people build successful stores as possible. So even if you don't come in first place and win that $1,000, you'll still have all the tools you need to build a successful brand and make over 10K a month dropshipping. I'll be in that Discord group every single day answering your guys' questions, giving you more resources to help with your success, comparing results, and just helping you guys scale. And I'll see you guys at the end of August to pick our 3 winners. That's everything you need to know if you want to take part of our summer dropshipping challenge. The top 3 people that make the most amount of sales will win a private mentorship from me. That way we can scale your brand even further. And of course, the person that places number 1 will win $1,000 on top of everything. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me for more information or post in our Discord group. And leave a comment down below if you want me to do more challenges just like this. All the links for everything you need are down below. Thank you so much for watching and good luck.